Hello, it's KC. I'm going to share two quick toggle commands with you today, both created using Keyboard Maestro. I have a previous video showing how to create voice commands using UUIDs in Keyboard Maestro. However, my Keyboard Maestro mentor, Alexander from Germany, shared this quick toggle to turn dictation on and off. There are many ways to do this, but Keyboard Maestro helps automate it. I added a speak command to it so I'm aware of what state it's in. Here's what it does.
Dictation is off.
Toggles dictation off.
Dictation is on.
Toggles dictation on. Very simple macro. Very simple steps. You can follow along through the video and incorporate it into Keyboard Maestro. Just wanted to show you how easy it was to create it. The second macro is just a simple do not disturb toggle. It's right here. Instead of me going all the way up into this menu, clicking it, I could just hit a toggle key and it's off. Toggle it back on, it's on. Fairly simple. Here's the execute Apple script, small script, you can see it here. Here's my hotkey up at the top. I use X keys so that allows me to hit a button really quick. It's just a simple toggle, so enjoy.